Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my makeup collection and storage. A lot has not changed in the way I store my makeup, but the amount of stuff has changed. We're just going to get started. On top of my desk here, we're going to start there, and this desk came from a garage sale. So I keep acetone, perfume, some cuticle oil stuff, my Project Pan stuff, which is literally overflowing, but I've made a lot of good progress. Makeup brushes, the container came from Marshall's. This is a Five Below container. This is BH Cosmetics container. Here's some larger face brushes, kabuki style. My mirror here is just from Walmart. It has a regular side and a magnifier side. Container, Dollar Tree, and it has all my sponges, and there's some loose brush heads in there. Some powders I like to use to set my face. Over here, on top of this container here, which is from Marshall's. This container was from Dollar General, but I keep face primers here. And some sprays here, some eye treatment, and some moisturizer based serums here. Some more face sprays and this e.l.f. concealer that I use to cut creases. In this container, the top drawer has eyebrow products. So pencils, pomades, brow glues, and eye primers actually in here. This is foundations and concealer palette. So all the foundations I have, not a lot. And then this bottom drawer has my concealers in there and my pressed powders. On top of the desk over here, before we get to the side, I have some jewelry, makeup that I'm going to be using to film with next. So a little glimpse into that. I have a beautiful spring look. Some nail stuff I'm going to try out. So I have makeup wipes, hand sanitizer, perfumes, some face sprays, makeup remover, my toner here. And then dirty makeup brushes that have not been cleaned yet. Over here to the side, I have my Beauty Bay palettes. Pictures of Honor. Beauty Bay, there's a mirror, there's some Wet n Wild and e.l.f. over here, BH Cosmetics, Jeffree Star and Morphe, and Wet n Wild are all here. And the pink container therein came from the Dollar General. Now up here, this black container, Dollar Tree. I just have some sponges, Care Bear sponges. I have some Profusion Mean Girls collection. More Mean Girls. That's Love Plaque, Dollar Tree. And the rest of this is Profusion. And this is my only Smoke and Mirrors palette that I've left. And my Melt Cosmetics palette that I have here. All of my colorful eyeliners and liquid eyeliners. Brow products here for cleaning up the brows basically. And Q-tips. Now actually in this storage unit here, there is one drawer that I keep makeup in, and I'm actually going to share that with you first so I don't forget the drawer. So down here in this drawer I have Spectrum Cosmetics Mineral Eyeshadows. Lots of Spectrum Cosmetics. I have some glitters, some LA Colors iced eyeshadows, and some other random LA Colors stuff that I don't reach as often for, but I want to keep around. And a couple vaulted lipsticks that I threw in there. In this top drawer here, I have liquid eyeshadows or glitter eyeshadows. and Maybelline color tattoos, and they go all the way back. There's like 20 something of those. Eyelash curlers, eyelashes. Now in the back, eyelashes. Now I always get questions about my containers, so this one here came from a Goodwill. This container is a large silverware drawer organizer, but it works perfect for this drawer. So back there I have lashes, I have extra eyelash curlers, and I have mascaras that I took out of the packaging but I have not opened, so they're still good and unopened. Extra eyeliners back there as well, and some of these velvet poofs. The only colorful mascaras I have left: pencil sharpeners, a brush cleaner, mascara guard, eyelash glue, tweezers, mascaras that I am currently working on and have opened. Love this one and the Elf Mood one. All my chapsticks. Here are all my black, white, and nude eyeliners, and my only liquid black eyeliner in there, and a couple sponges, some liquid eyeliner, or some gel eyeliners, some brow products, some single eyeshadows I like to use for highlighting and such, and a lash glue. That's all for this drawer. In this top drawer I have eyeshadows. So She Glam, ColourPop, all here on the top. This is what it looks like in the bottom. So I have all my ColourPop here. I have some e.l.f., LA Colors, and W7, Natasha Denona and Inglot, AOA Studio in there. I also have BH Cosmetics, Physicians Formula, Morphe, Jaclyn Hill, She Glam, LA Colors, more She Glam, LA Colors, some Maybelline, and some CoverGirl and some NYX palettes. Just 3 of them. But that is, it's in this top drawer. I have decluttered so much for my collection. These drawers do look a bit different. Moving on to the second drawer on the side, which is got larger packs of eyelashes in it, face palettes, so Benefit, BH, Wet n Wild, and this Color brand. I have single blushes, so Benefit Hervana, some cream blush products, My Believe Beauty blushes, some more cream blushes, single blushes. This clear container that they're being divided into is from the Dollar Tree. Some more single blushes. Not too many single blushes. Some She Glam highlight and bronzers, some more bronzers. These are face palettes and more face palettes. They're really color stuff. That really beautiful Flower Beauty highlighting palette, Blue Beauty highlighting palette, single highlighters from LA Colors, Wet n Wild highlighters. Done quite a bit of decluttering in this drawer as well. And the white container, it also has a rubber bottom to keep everything in place, is from Dollar Tree. The last drawer in my collection is lipstick, liquid lipsticks, lip liners, and powders. So the containers, the clear containers, they're separated in Dollar Tree, both of them. So I have all of my bullet style lipsticks here, which are mostly Maybelline and Rimmel. A moisturizer, some other random lipsticks there. And then I have powders and a couple lip treatments there. I have powders and such down here. Some of them's never been opened yet. They're just here. And also in the back, I have some facial mist. And then over here, we have lip crayons, lip liners, and liquid lipsticks, and the very few lip glosses I own. Again, this drawer has been decluttered a lot. I used to have all 3 of these clear container spots full of just bullet lipsticks, but very few left now. I've really been weeding through my collection and only keeping what I actually like and like to use. Still an excessive amount, but doing good. I've shared all of the items in my makeup collection, all the storage and where everything came from. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, found the storage ideas helpful. If you want a closer look at any of the brands, collections, or just say like eyeshadow palettes, eyeliners, things like that, like separate little collection, mini collection videos, I would definitely be interested in doing that for you. So just let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. And thank you so much for watching.